Hey guys, it's Matt Mahoney with Racami. Enjoying a good book here from Steve Jobs. Maybe you like this one. So what I want to talk to you today about is Racami's new product called Alchem-e Books. We're super excited about this. It rounds out our technology portfolio for production printing, from CCM to hybrid mail, direct marketing, commercial printing, and now books. So this Alchem-e tool is really expanding, and we're making a heavy investment in this area. You can think about a book, this is a hardcover one, it's a certain size and shape, thickness, a certain kind of paper that's inside here. And all of the different books on your bookshelf, you've got soft cover, you have different kinds of binding, and this one has a jacket to it, so it's got a cover that goes on it, that's got to be printed and wrapped around the piece. So there's all these kinds of things that go on different, what they call trim sizes. That's the size of the book. The binding, the paper, the ink, you're going to do color, you're going to do black and white. So there's lots and lots of combinations. And that's actually the problem with book manufacturing today. It's very difficult to do in an effective way where you can keep book prices down. These book manufacturers have these high-speed production lines, and they're tuned for a certain type of book and paper and what they're going to be producing. So you can think about, I'm placing a book, you're placing a book order, where everybody's ordering one book, and all those funnel into these manufacturers to deal with. And so they need technology, they need software that will take those book orders, organize them into groupings that make sense for the production lines so that they don't have to load new paper and set the printer up every time a book order comes in. And then they want to be able to control the automation of the cutters, the slicers, the binders, all the things that make up the finishing part of the book after printing. And they can do a lot of this with software up front, where they organize it by the characteristics of the books and pre-flight it, they call it, and do the imposition so that you get the signature and you can use up as much paper as possible so you don't have a lot of waste, and all the things that need to be done prior to sending a job to a printer line. And that's what our Alchem-e Books system does. We actually acquired it from from Canon. They call it Conveyance, and they're going to continue to sell that as their Conveyance, under their Conveyance brand. We're going to continue to advance the product. We're putting R&D into it. We're actually taking some of the capabilities like the JDF, JMF and putting it into the Alchem-e suite so that people who are outside of book manufacturing can benefit from that capability to measure what's going on devices, to tell them what to do, to look at what paper's on there, things that you want to do to further the automation in today's world. So if you'd like to learn more about our Alchem-e Books that we're very excited about, you can go to our website at racami.com, or you can call me or email me at mmahoney@racami.com, and we'd love to talk to you about how we can help you automate your book manufacturing. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.